This is a used 2015 Subaru WRX STI. It's powered by all-wheel drive, a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed manual transmission. With fewer than 5,000 miles, this vehicle is like new. The features include a turbocharger, electric trunk, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.